So guys, in this video we are going to see what are the operators and what are the operations we can perform using those operators. So let's say a is equals to 10, b is equals to 5. So these two are the variables, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 5. Now what I am going to do is I want to say c is equals to a plus b. So now I can run this program, but we are not outputting any content. So let me say print of c. So now let me okay, autosave is on. Now let me run this. And as you can see, the result 10 plus 5 is 15. So you can also put the minus and run this again, and you can see the output as 5. So this is the addition operation before one. This one is a subtraction operation. You can also multiply using the star, and if you run this 10 into 5, which gives 50, and you can also apply the division operation, that is a slash. So now we will get the answer as 2. So you can see by default the division operation is getting the floating point variable. And what I want to do is I want to show you this double slash. You will get the remainder when you have divided this one. Sorry, it gives me the integer. Okay, right? So this a percentage symbol will give the remainder. So as you can see, 10 will be fully divided by 5 in 2 times, and we will get the remainder 0. So we have seen the addition, subtraction, and division and remainder operators. So now what I want to do is I want to increment this. So I want to say a is equal to a plus 1, and again I am assigning that value to a. So now if I say print of a, the value will be 11 because we are incrementing a value and assigning it to the a variable. So if I run this, you will see the 10 has changed to 11. So this is somewhat lengthy method. There is a one short form for this operation, and that is if you say plus is equals to 1. So this is similar to a is equals to a plus 1, and you can see this content has been grayed out, the line starting with hash, because this is called comment, and these comments are neglected by our Python interpreter, and these are used only for understanding the code. So if you any developer wants to read your code, or if you want to read any developer's code, it may be tough on seeing once at the first time. So that's why other developers put the comments to just define what they are doing in the code. So if I say hash, and then the content followed by this hash will be neglected. So this is a comment. So if I run this now, this will not give any errors, or this does not get executed. Only we get is printing value of a. So as you can see, we have got only 11. And in the same way you can also do minus. You got the 9. And in the same way you can say a is equals to a into 1, which is the same value 10. So in that way you can assign the operators. And one more thing I forgot to tell in the variables is that is a boolean variables. So if I want to say state is equals to these boolean variables contains only two values, either true or false. So if I want to say print state, so let me delete this. So if I run this, we will get the true. So these boolean statements or boolean variables are used to determine the condition whether it is true or false. Now I am going to say A state is equals to A greater than B. So this is a greater than symbol, and you can also use the greater than, less than, greater than is equals to, less than is equals to, and not is equal. This is the not is equals to exclamation followed by is equals to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the result of A greater than B. So A is 10, B is 5. Of course A is greater than B, so that's why it gives the true. So if I run this again, I will get the true. So if I say A less than B, I will get the false, because 10 is not less than B, right? So we got the false. So these Boolean statements are very helpful in determining the whether condition is true or not. We will see this Boolean expressions more in the loops. These are very helpful in the loops. And if I say A not is equals to B, so it's true. So we have got the output as true. So I think I have covered all the operators. I have covered this mathematical operations and also this greater than logical operators.